Welcome back to the Learning Hub. This is Chapter 14 of our Excel learning program. Hope you enjoyed Chapter 13, where we have covered sort functions. If you have not gone through the previous chapter, please find the link in the description below. Please click on the subscribe button, and hit the bell icon to get a notification of new videos. In this chapter, we are going to cover the basics of filters. So, why do we need the filter? If you have thousands of records, and if you want to see a few records, and you want to make a few records visible, in those cases, the filter is a very useful method. Here we are just testing with 21 lines, but you might have cases where you are dealing with thousands of lines. And if you want to see the record of particular lines, you can apply the filter. There are a couple of ways to apply the filter. First, if you select a single cell in the column, go to the Home menu, and here under the Sort and Filter option, you will find the option called a filter. It will apply the filter on the top row, and the same option will be used to remove the filter as well. But if you want to apply the filter somewhere in the middle of your data, you need to select those cells and go into the Sort and Filter section and click on the filter. Another method of applying the filter is you need to go into the Data menu, and here is the icon called a filter. You can apply the filter from this option also. These are the ways of applying the filter. Now, how do we use the filter? Or what is the use of the filter? For example, I'm applying the filter on the A and B columns, by selecting everything and clicking on the filter option. So it has applied the filter. How will I filter out the data to shorten my records to see only a few records? There are multiple ways to do this. For example, here in column B either I can select a few of the records, or see multiple records. But if you have thousands of lines, here you can type the word you want to see. If you type 9. So it will show all the values which contain 9, if you want to see the lines which contain 8. It will show 8 and 18. But if you want to see only the specific records, you can select 8 and click OK. It will show only 8. When it comes to number filters, you can apply the number filter by going into the number filter, and it will give you multiple options if you want to filter out. Let's say greater than 5. It will show only the records which are greater than 5. It is starting from 6 to 20. You can clear the filter by clicking on this icon, called a clear filter. It would clear the filter. Another method of removing or clearing the filter. For example, here you have selected 5, and you want to clear this filter. So there is a difference between removing the filter and clearing the filter. If you click on this button in the Data menu, under the Sort and Filter section, click on Clear Filter. So what it will do, it will clear the filter, but it will not remove the filter from the entire sheet. To remove the filter from the entire sheet, you need to select these cells and click on the Filter button and it'll remove the filter. Another thing is that, let's say if I have applied the filter here, I just want to display the records marked in yellow. So Excel has that functionality, where you can filter only the colored record, and you can display the white record, or you can filter out white records, and you can display only the yellow lines. If you just click on this small arrow and go to this option, Filter by Color. Click on the yellow line, it will display only the yellow-filled colors, or if you go here, and want to display only the non-colored records, it will display only the white records. Again, to clear the filter you can click here, and clear the filters. And that's all we want to cover in the basics of the filter. We will have another video for the advanced filters, where you can see how to display multiple records, and how to show the record which contains a particular value, along with another value. If you want to display 2 records out of 1000, you can apply the custom filter. So we are going to create another video or another chapter for advanced filters. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video, which will cover the advanced filters. You will find the links for the previous and next chapters in the description below. If you have not subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button, and hit the bell icon to get the notification for new videos. Thank you for learning with us.